Let's talk about a tool that's totally changing video creation, InVideo AI.
Ever had a great video idea, but just found it way too complicated to make?
Well, that's exactly what InVideo AI is for. It uses AI to do all the heavy lifting.
All you do is describe the video you want, just using your own words.
Okay, so how's it work? It's basically a simple three-step process for your first draft. The more specific you are here, the better the AI can absolutely nail your vision.
But great videos aren't just stock clips, right? They need your unique identity.
Check this out. It can actually clone your voice for the narration, so it sounds just like you. So you can pick a generic AI voice or use your own for that truly authentic feel.
And get this, your cloned voice can even speak other languages. How cool is that?
Once you have a draft, editing is super simple. You just type what you want changed.
Like you can tell it to highlight words as they're spoken, instantly more engaging.
Or with another quick command, you can change the language of the entire video.
But what if you need more control? Well, these commands are just the beginning.
You can swap out footage, edit the script line by line, or even go full pro editor.
So when it's perfect, you just export and share it.
Super easy.
You can start for free or go premium to ditch the watermarks and unlock more features.
The premium plans start at just $20 a month. That includes that cool voice cloning feature.
So yeah, making a pro-quality video is no longer this huge, complicated barrier.
Basically, it puts a whole production studio in your hands. So, what are you going to make?